Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Thanks for your support. To those who are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you my very own recipe for the yummiest mushroom sauce ever. You might want to check out my videos for lasagna and for jacket potato where I use the same sauce. Whenever I cook with milk, I make sure to pre-boil it in the microwave because I find it burns very quickly on the stove. Now let's simmer the milk on the stove now. Mix about a quarter cup of lukewarm water with 2 tablespoons baking flour and then add this to the milk and stir. Now you may add some crushed garlic, grated mushroom, the heat is medium, feta cheese, pepper, pinch of salt.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Ooh, it's that sauce. It's that mushroom sauce. I love it.
Cool down before you go ahead. Now for texture, creaminess and taste, I love to add sour cream. Now viewers, there is no precise measurement for any ingredient in this recipe. It all depends on your preferences and desired consistency. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do. Thanks.